Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to set up donations on Twitch. So if you also want to set up donations on Twitch, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in streamelements.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Stream Elements. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you do not have an account yet, create an account for yourself. Creating an account is very simple. Now what you have to do is click on the profile icon that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to see several options. At first, you'll be able to see the option for dashboard. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At left, you can see several options over here. Find the option for revenue. Click on it. Now you'll be able to see three options: payments, merge, tipping settings. All you have to do is click on the option tipping settings. Now tipping settings will be opened. From here you'll be able to set up the donation. You'll be able to receive the donation. You can earn money from tips. All you have to do is connect the PayPal account. Simply click on the connect option that you can see right over here. I'm not going to connect right now. After you've connected your PayPal account, scroll down. Now over here you'll have to choose an image. You can see the images over here. You can also download the image if you want, or you can also choose the image from here. Simply click on the image that you want to choose. Now you can see the link over here. All you have to do is click on the copy icon that you can see right next to the link. Now the link has been copied to the clipboard. Now scroll down. Here you'll be able to find the option for page settings. All you have to do is click on it. Now here you'll be able to access the page settings. You can see the option for currency over here. Click on this box. Now from here you'll be able to choose the currency. Simply click on the currency of your choice. Now you'll be able to set the minimum and maximum amount. Simply click on this box. Now set the minimum amount. You can also set the maximum amount over here. Now you can also set the suggested amount. Click on this box. Set the suggested amount. You can also select the maximum message length over here. You can also select if the viewers need to log in. Click on this box. Turn it on or off. Now you can also see the tipping presets over here. It is enabled right now. You can also disable it. If you enable it, from here you'll be able to select the tipping presets. Click on this box. Now set the tipping presets. Now you can also select the design. Simply click on the design option. Now from here you'll be able to select the design. You can see the page title over here. You can also set the message to your tippers. Click on this box. Now type in the message. You can also select the tipping page background over here. You can also select the tipping page header. You can see the default image over here. If you want to replace the image, simply click on the option replace image. You can also access other options over here. Now click on the option tip panel setup. Here also you'll be able to see the link. Click on the copy icon that you can see right over here. Now what you have to do is go to new tab. Click on the search bar. Now type in twitch.com. Press enter. You can see over here Twitch has been opened. You can see your profile icon over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now here you'll be able to see several options. Click on the option channel. Now you'll be led to your channel. Scroll down. Now here you'll be able to find the options for home, about, schedule, videos and chat. All you have to do is click on the about option that is at the second. Now here you'll be able to find the option for edit panels. All you have to do is toggle this button. Now scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the plus icon. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to see two options over here: added text or image panel, extension panel. All you have to do is click on the first option, that is added text or image panel. Now you'll have to enter the panel title over here. You can also add the image if you want. Simply click on the option add image, and after that you'll be able to add the image. Now click on this box. Now what you have to do is paste the link that we had copied earlier. Here you can also add the description if you want. After that, whenever somebody will click on your panel, they'll be able to donate you. So that is how you set up donations on Twitch. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.